You are dead.
Very hot too. Appeal and what? But this one appeal and some ginger herbs. Eh? The light there.
Where light
There, yeah. Switch up. Oh my God.
You are dead. 98 Ghana, okay. You are dead.
Yeah, wait this one. This is big one with it. Make it share. Yeah, take the big one. What is the big? Make it take big one. Make it share. Cause I feel not like.
That one is big.
Yeah, this is the same as this one. No, I'll go through. Don't worry. 229. One.
The small one is
75. So which one? The small one. Make you try the small one. Babe. All right. So bro, see, I've seen your video, your bar on the YouTube. Good. David been here. So exactly. David, if you watch it, I'm right here because I watched your video. Good. I'm with the man himself.
Yeah,
look.
I'm captain.
Oh, it's just the best. You know, I think we had about 87 gram one. I think kilos, it's on the fire right now.
Yeah. That's your fish right there.
That one there, yeah?
Yeah.
So tell me, so what's the best time to come? What's the best time to come to get the biggest one?
So you can come any other day. We have the biggest. We have small ones also for you. So any other day, we'll serve you with a great taste of catfish. You know?
Oh my God! So look, guys, if you're watching, this place is in Spintex Road. If you guys don't know, just tell the driver you're going to Nshraba Kojo's. Just opposite Nshraba Kojo. It's in just a few minutes from KFC.
Exactly.
Just even if you tell the driver, take me to KFC in Spintex Road. You're there. This place, I'm going to taste the best catfish ever.
Captain's catfish, number one.
Captain's catfish. You see, you hear it from the man. Captain's catfish. Yeah, we feed it.
Yes, I see. Hi.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for giving me one.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, see, look, guys, I want to tell you guys, I'm from Tema. Come to Tema and enjoy some good food. This
the best.
The best. Don't go to Accra. Just come to Tema right here.
Right here.
Right
Tema,
here.
You know.
Yeah.
But it's long
So we just ordered the humongous fish. It's here. What? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Smoking,
I think
smoking hot.
You guys can see. Just lift up. See, look, can you see? This is smoking hot. Very hot too. Very hot. Very hot. It's very hot. Charlie.